All right, everyone. So what happened over the weekend? We obviously, there's a lot of risk in the market. Based on that risk, price did gap up on gold about 240, 250 pips, and then, they realized that it's not like a continued risk. I mean, whatever happened there, like it didn't change any monetary policy, didn't change any economic, policy. So we basically retraced all the way back down. I mean, you filled the gap, and price just became stable. Now, looking at it from a 4 hour perspective, 4 hour is like, we still didn't really come into 33.44. It's just, it is what it is. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. Let's zoom in here. Now, looking at the 1 hour time frame, it's very clear. We're creating a support, 33.54. And below this support, there's another support around, what's this price over here? 33.43. Right now, let's drop down to the 30-minute time frame. Dropping down to the 30-minute time frame, there's this support here. And I mean, just by looking at this right now, where price action is, I think if we can maybe break below 33.52, I think that's going to be a pretty good idea for price to continue to push down in the 80 pip range, 33.43. But if we drop down to 15-minute time frame, actually let's stay on the 30 minutes so we can just stay over here, kind of like show some area of interest. This right over here. Now, I believe that if we can break above 33.67, 33.68, you have like a clean range of about 100 pips for price to continue to push up to 33.79. So this is an area I think which is going to be good for price to continue to push in. Right? Let's drop down to the 15-minute time frame. Yeah. So now we can adjust it right over here. So now this is going to be something very interesting about 33.67, 33.68 for price to continue to push up. Currently, however, we are consolidating. I would want to say that if we can break below 33.60, we can push down, but I'm going to be careful with that. Like even though if we break below, like during this time, because I normally want to look at price action around pre-London session, pre-London, London Open, and that's not the time yet. So if we break below here when it's not my time to trade, I'm not going to be interested in it. So we'll be waiting to see how price reacts. Like if we do come towards 33.52 or 33.66 around pre-London. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Let's take a look at pound yen, pound yen, pound yen. Pound yen basically did nothing. 4 hour time frame it's continuing to push up. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. Wow. 1 hour just consolidation. We're creating a resistance on the 1 hour time frame. Looking at the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, this is some um it's a zero sum game. Like there's nothing happening. Nothing happening. Like what are you gonna do? Um I mean if we do break above 196, 950, whatever, 196, 950, let's take a look to the left hand side, see what's going on. On the left hand side there is nothing over here that we can see that would make sense. Um yeah, I don't like the price action of pound yen. It's a waste of time to look at pound yen right now. I mean, there's nothing. There's nothing. This is gold. Anyway, we're gonna save time here. There's nothing happening. Garbage price action. Gold, way better price action. Waiting for zones to break so we can reach potential targets. So yeah, we're gonna see you guys for the London session. And hopefully we all stay safe till then. Bye.